Hello everyone. So this is Rahul. So welcome to LearnWith. So hope all of you are doing very well. So today in this video we are seeing the introduction of trigonometry previous year question paper, and make sure you will be stay till the end of the video and to learn how to tackle a question and learn the tips. Okay, and don't forget to hit our subscribe button and ring to bell icon so you can get a regular updates of our video, and also you can follow our social media channel for regular updates of our video. Okay, so let's start our video of introduction of trigonometry. So you can see in the first question, that is a introduction of trigonometry 2024 1 marks MCQ question. So in this question you can see it is saying if a sine alpha is root 3 over 2 and cos beta root 3 over 2, okay, then find tan alpha into tan beta. Okay, so simple. If I will say in this one, so you know that sine alpha you have given root 3 over 2, okay, and cos beta you have given here, that is root 3 over 2. What the information you will get in the question, you can first write that. Okay, so based on that you can say, hey, sine alpha is equal to how much? Sine 60 degree, so which means alpha is equal to how much? 60 degree. And same way you can say cos alpha beta is equal to here cos 30 degree, which means beta is equal to you have 30 degree. Okay, so now you got the alpha value and beta value first. Now you have to substitute the alpha value and beta value on the tan alpha and tan beta. So based on that we can say, hey, tan, here it is asking tan alpha, so tan alpha is equal to what? You can say tan 60 degree. Okay, so which means tan 60 degree is equal to how much? Root 3. And same way here you can say tan beta is equal to tan 30 degree. Okay, so tan 30 degree is equal to how much? 1 over root 3. Now question is asking how much you will get tan alpha into tan beta. Okay, so tan beta, so you got the tan alpha is equal to root 3 and tan beta is equal to how much? 1 over root 3. Okay, so which means your value will get how much? So root 3 get cancelled, so you will get 1. So which means your correct option is C. Okay, so hope you understand this one, and again don't give so much time on any MCQ question so much. Okay, now in this question number 2, that is a 3 marks question of 2024. It is saying you have to evaluate. It is saying 5 tan 60 over sine square 60 degree plus cos square 60 degree times tan 30 degree. Okay, so first here we will know how much tan 60 is coming. So we can say tan 60 value is coming root 3. So we can say here 5 times root 3. Okay, and sine square 60 degree and plus cos square 60. So you know the one of the identities of the trigonometry, when the sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So we can say this is 1, and tan 30 is equal to how much you will get here? 1 over root 3. Okay, now after that you can solve here. So we can say 5 root 3 here on the numerator, and denominator we can say here 1 over root 3. So this root 3 will come over top, so you can say 5 root 3 times root 3. So we will get here 5 times 3, so which means your value will be 15. Hope you're getting. So simple question, 3 marks question, so make sure you will follow the steps. Okay, now coming about next question of again 2024, again it is a 3 marks question, so it is a bigger question. So it is saying cos sec theta minus sine theta times sec theta minus cosec theta times tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. So basically we have to prove that this is our LHS, left hand side, is equal to 1 of RHS. Okay, so we will say here, hey, our LHS is given how much? We can say cosec theta minus sine theta. Okay, same way times sec theta minus cosec theta. Okay, times tan theta plus cot theta. Okay, hope you get in what you information you have gotten. You have to write. Now after that we have to go with very step by steps, so our answer will get properly. So here we can see we have written the all the information. Now based on that we can say cosec theta is equal to 1 over sine theta. Same way we can say, hey, sec theta is equal to 1 over sine theta, 1 over cos theta. Okay, so we can say here sec theta is equal to 1 over cos theta, and same way we can say tan theta is equal to sine theta over cos theta. Okay, and cot theta is equal to how much? We can say here cosec theta over sine theta. So now we have to substitute every value, so our whole equation will come in the form of sine theta and cos theta. Okay, so we can say here our expression, we can substitute the value, so we can say 1 by sine theta minus sine theta. Okay, now after that we can say sec theta is equal to 1 over cos theta, so we can substitute 1 over cos theta minus cos theta, and in place of tan theta and cot theta we can substitute the value of sine and cos. So here we can say sine theta over cos theta plus cos theta over sine theta. Okay, so here it is getting clear. Now after that we can take the LCM. So we can take the LCM here. So we can write here sine theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta, and same way we can here we will say, so LCM is cos theta, so we can say 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, now after that we can say here cos theta times sine theta, and here we can say sine theta sine square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, so now after that we will remove the our brackets. So we will remove the bracket, and here you know that 1 minus sine square theta is equal to how much? So we have know the one identity that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, that identity we can follow. So same way 1 minus sine square theta we can say here cos square theta over sine theta, and same way here we can say 1 minus cos square theta sine square theta, okay, over cos theta. Okay, and last sine square theta plus cos square theta we can say 1, and here we can say cos theta times sine theta. Now here make sure you can cancel very quickly, and you have to follow this identity whole. So I'm writing here sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and the same identity you can change, so you can say 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine square theta, and 1 minus sine square theta you can say cos square theta. Okay, so make sure you can you can understand this identity, how I can follow. So when you can cancel this cos, and this cos get cancelled, and same way this sign and this sign get cancelled. So you can say we will get 1. So 1 is equal to RHS. Okay, so hence it is proved. Okay, so same way, whenever such type of question you will getting, you can transpose all this term in the form of sine theta and cos theta. Okay, now coming about 2023 question. Okay, so here this is a 3 marks question. So make first you can understand the question is saying, if 2 tan a is equal to 3, find the value of 4 sine a plus 5 cos a over 6 sine a plus 2 cos a. So which means we have given the tan value. So first we will draw the triangles here. So triangles we have drawn. Okay, now here we can say this is our angle A we are taking. Okay, so here which means it is given tan A, uh, 2 tan A is equal to 3. So we can say tan A is equal to how much? 3 over 2. And you know tan value means what? Perpendicular over base. Okay, perpendicular over base. So we can say, hey, this side is equal to 3 and this side is equal to 2. Now after that you can follow the Pythagoras theorem. So you can follow the Pythagoras theorem and you can find this one. Suppose we can take this is B and this one is C. Okay, so we can say AC is equal to how much? So you can say A C square plus B C square. So how much we will get here? So you can say AC is how much? You have 2 whole square and then this 3 whole square. So you will get how much? You will get here, this one is 4 plus 9. So which means you will get root 13. So you can say this is root 13. Okay, now one by one we can find the value. So first it is saying sine A. So we can say sine A is equal to how much? Sine A means perpendicular over hypotenuse. So how much your perpendicular is given here? 3 and hypotenuse root 13. Okay, same way we can find the cos A. So cos A is equal to what? Base over hypotenuse. So we can say here root 2 over root 13. Okay, now you can substitute all the values in this equation. So what is our equation is given? 4 sine A plus 5 cos A. Okay, now over divided over 6 sine A plus 2 cos A. Okay, now you can substitute all the value here simple. So we can say 4 times sine A value is how much you got? 3 over root 13. And how much you will get cos A value? So cos A value you got 2 over root 13. So we can say 5 times 2 root 13. Okay, and after that we can say 6 times you can say sine A is 3 root 13. Okay, plus again 2 cos A, so which means 2 times 2 over root 13. Okay, now you can solve this one simple way. So here you can say this one you will get 12 over root 13 and this plus 10 over root 13. Okay, over you will get 18 root 13 plus 4 root 13. Now you can see in the numerator and denominator you have both like fraction. So we can say this one is 22 over root 13 and denominator also we can say 22 over root 13. Okay, so now you can cancel this one. So which means numerator and denominator both equal. So we can say 1. So hope you understand this one. This is very easy 3 mark question, so you can easily tackle this one. Okay, now coming with next question. So again it is 1 marks MCQ question. So let's see what the question is saying. It is saying 5 over 8 sine square 60 degree minus tan square 60 degree plus cos square 45 degree is equal to. So make sure you will remember the trigonometry tables based on the angles. Okay, so here directly we can first write the question. So we can say 5 over 8 sec square 60 degree minus tan square 60 degree plus cos square 45 degree. Okay, so you can just directly substitute the value. So 5 over 8 times, and how much you will get sec square 60, that is 2. So you can say 2 square because 6 square here minus tan square 60. So tan 60 value is coming how much? Root 3. So you can say root 3 square. Okay, same with plus cos square 45. So cos 45 value is coming 1 over root 2. So you can say 1 over root 2 whole square. Now you can solve this one. So we can say this is 5 over 8 times 4 minus, you can say 3, and after that this is 1 over 2. Okay, so this one get cancelled, that is 2 times. Okay, so here you will get how much? 5 over 2 minus 3 plus 1 over 2. Now you can solve this one. So this you can take the LCM. Your LCM will get 2, and after that you can say this is 5, this is coming 6 plus 1. So we will get to how much? 0. So which means option is here, correct option is what? You have a C. Okay, so make sure you have remember the trigonometry tables. Okay, so you will get a correct answer. Now coming about question number 6 of 2023, that is a 2 marks question. Okay, so question is very simple. Again it is saying evaluate, so your table should be remember. Okay, so it is saying 2 sine square theta plus 3 cos square theta minus 2 sine theta cos theta if theta is 45 degree. Okay, so we have to find the value. So first we will write the what are the given in the question. So we can say 2 sec theta plus 3 cosec square theta minus 2 sine theta into cos theta. Now it is saying theta value is how much? 45 degree. So we can substitute the value. So we can say 2 sec square 45 then plus 3 cosec square 45 minus 2 sine 45 degree times cos 45 degree. Okay, now once you have substitute the value, you have to follow the pattern. So you know here sec square sec 45, which means 2, its value is 2. So you can say here root 2 is coming, so you can say here root 2 whole square, and same way here 3 cosec 45. So you know cosec value is 45 also root 2, so you can say 3 times root 2 a whole square. Okay, after that you can say cos 2 times sine 45. So sine 45 1 over root 2, and cos 45 again 1 over root 2. Now you can solve this one. So simple, we can say here, so 2 times you can say 2 plus 3 times you can say square root 2 is 2, and this one will get how much? So 2 times 2, which means you will get 1. Okay, now after that you can solve this one. So you will get 2 times 2, you will get 4 plus 3 times 2, you will get 6 plus plus here you will get minus 1. So here you can say this one you will get minus 1. So 4 plus 6, 10 minus 1. So 10 minus 1, you will get 9. So hope it's clear. Now coming about next question. So it is saying which of the following is true for all the values of theta, and here it is saying theta value should be greater than or equal to 0, but it should be less than or equal to 90 degree. Okay, so make sure you can follow this one. So I will here solve every options, and so you can understand. So here it is saying first one cosec square theta minus sine square theta minus 1. So here we have already know the if I will take a first option, so we have a identities, hope you remember. So we can say cos square theta minus sine square theta, okay, is equal to, we can say cos 2 theta. Okay, we can say, so here we can say here, so we have this identity. So based on that, we can say here we have given the cos square theta minus sine square theta minus 1. Okay, so we can substitute this value here. So we can say here that is cos 2 theta minus 1. Okay, which means here so which means this is not, which is not always true, which means the option A is not correct. Okay, so we can cancel this option A. Now coming about option B. So option B, it is saying cosec square theta minus sec square theta minus 1. Okay, so here we can say here we can also follow the identity. So we can say cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, and so based on that here it is, we can say another identity, that is sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Now we can get here our question, it is saying cosec square theta minus sec square theta minus 1. So we can substitute here. So in place of cosec, we can say 1 plus cot square theta minus 1 plus tan square theta minus 1. So if we will solve this one, so we will get how much here? So we will get here, so 1 here, when we will open the bracket, so you will get 1 plus cot square theta minus 1 minus tan tan square theta minus 1. Okay, so here you can see this minus minus get cancelled, so you will get cot square theta minus tan square theta minus 1. So we can say which is not always 0, which is not always 0. So this which is not always 0, which means this option is also not correct. Okay, now coming about option C. So option C, it is saying, hey, we have given sec square theta minus tan square theta minus 1. Okay, so same way here we will using the identity, okay. So what is our identity we will use here? So we can use the identity, that is sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, now we can write the question option. So sec square theta minus tan square theta minus 1. So in place of sec square theta, we can substitute the value. So we can say here 1 plus tan square theta bracket close minus tan square theta minus 1. Now you can remove the bracket. So after removing the bracket, how much you will get? 1 plus tan square theta minus tan square theta minus 1. So you can say here this tan plus tan square theta and minus tan square theta. We will get 0 plus 1 and minus 1. You will get 0. So we can say which is always true. Which is always true. Okay, so which means here the question is asking which one you get a 0, which is always means between the theta is greater than or equal to 0 and less than. So we can say option C here. Okay, so hope you got it. Okay, no need to again after you can expend the time for to check the option D. Now coming about question number 8, again 3 marks of 2023. Very simple. It is saying sine theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3. So here it is simple saying find the value of sine theta and cos theta. Okay, so simple, first we will write the question. So we can say hey, sine theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3. Okay, now here we have not given anything extra, but we have to solve based on our requirement. Okay, so what we will do first, we will square both this side. So it will say squaring both side of the equation, both side of equation. Okay, so after squaring both this side, so we can say hey, sine theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to root 3 whole square. So how much you will get here? You can get sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 times sine theta and cos theta is equal to 3. So you know it is a plus b whole square form. Okay, so based on that we can write here. Now after that, you know this one will come how much? 1. So here we can say this one 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to 3. So we can bring this one, transpose this one from left side to right side. So we can say 2 sine theta times cos theta is equal to 3 minus 1. So we will get how much? So you will get sine theta, 2 sine theta times cos theta is equal to 2. Now you can say here there is 2 in the multiplying. So now we will, this will go on the right side, so it will divide. So we can say sine theta times cos theta is equal to 2 over 2, which means 1. So which means sine theta times cos theta, we will get 1. Hope it's clear. Okay, now coming about question number 9. Question number 9 is also very simple. Okay, and again it is a 3 marks one. So it is, see, this chapter is very easy and is scoring marks. So you will always get a 1 question 3 marks or 1 question 2 marks or 1 marks question. So make sure you will not miss. So in this question it is saying sine alpha is equal to 1 over root 2 and cos beta is equal to 1 root 3. So find the value of cosec alpha plus cosec beta. Hope you remember 2024 you have got the same type of question in MCQ. Okay, so very simple, only in 4 line you can able to solve this question. Okay, so just see. So first we will write the information. Hey, sine alpha is equal to 1 over root 2. Same way you can say hey, cot beta is equal to how much? Root 3. Okay, so based on that we already know cosec alpha is equal to, can we write 1 over sine alpha? Okay, so based on that cosec alpha we will get how much? You cosec alpha you will get root 2. Okay, Same way, we can here now we know the one identity, that 1 plus cot square beta is equal to cosec square beta. Can we write here? Now, this is your identity. Okay, this is your identity, you know. Okay, so we have using, so based on that we can say, hey, cosec beta is equal to a square root uh, of 1 plus cot square beta. We have to check how much cot beta value is given. So cot beta value root 3 is given. So we can substitute here. So we can say 1 plus root 3 whole square. So which means you will get 1 plus 3, you will get root 4, which means cosec beta. You will get how much value? 2. Okay, now question is asking find the value of, you have cosec alpha plus cosec beta. Okay, so cosec alpha, you have got how much? Root 2, and cosec beta you will get how much? 2. So this is your value. Hope it's clear. Now coming about next question. So question it is saying prove the following identities. Sec a times 1 plus sine a times sec a minus tan a is equal to 1. This is again 3 marks question, so very carefully. So first, inside such type of question you can always write the what you have given the information. So we can say, hey, our LHS is equal to how much? So it is given sec a 1 plus sine a times sec a minus tan a. Okay, so this much is given information. Now first what we have to do, convert all this term in the respective of sine and cos. Okay, so sec a is equal to how much? 1 over cos a, then you will get 1 plus sine a, already given. Now again sec a is given, so that you can also convert into here 1 over cos a, okay, minus you can say sine a over cos a. Okay, so inside this one you can say this both are like fraction, so we can say 1 over cosec a times 1 plus sine a, and here you will get how much? You can get 1 minus sine a over cos a. Okay, this much you got it. Now after that you can say all these three terms are multiplying, so we can multiply this one. So this is, you can say 1 plus sine a times 1 minus sine a. Hope you remember a plus b times a minus b. Okay, so you have remember this identity, a plus b times a minus b. So how much you are always getting? A square minus b square. So same identity we can follow here. So here we can say 1 minus sine square a over cos square a. Now cos a and cos a, and you know the second identity here, sine square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Okay, and based on that you can say here that 1 minus sine square a is equal to cosec square a. So we can substitute the value here, so we can say cosec square a is equal to cosec square a. So both will cancel. So you will get 1, that is equal to your RHS. Hope it's clear. Now, very easy. So always remember the identities, how you can utilize that one. Now, coming about 2011, again, 1 marks MCQ question. So again, you can see it is saying sec square theta minus 1 times cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to what? Okay, so it is also based on identities. Okay, so let's see how we can solve. So for we have to write the question sec square theta minus 1 times cosec square theta minus 1. Okay, now after that we have already know here that sine square theta minus 1 is equal to identity. Here we are writing the identity, so you can see, remember identities. So these identities are very important, so make sure you don't forget this one. So you can say here sec square theta minus 1 is equal to how much? Tan square theta. And same way you can say cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to how much? Cot square theta. So we can substitute the value here. So we can say this is tan square theta times cot square theta. Okay, and you know tan and cot are inverse to each other, so we can say tan square theta times tan square theta, so which means both will get cancelled, is equal to 1. So option is B. Okay, so hope it's clear. Now coming about next question, again 2 marks of 2023. So it is also very easy. So again it is saying if sine theta and minus cos theta is equal to 0, find the value of sine to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta. Okay, so simple. What the information we have given, we can write sine theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. Okay, so we can write this much, and after that we can here transpose this sine theta is equal to cos theta. Can we say this one? So based on that we can here bring the sine theta over cosec theta is equal to 1. Okay, based on that we can say, and you know that this one tan theta is equal to how much? You will get 1. So we can say tan theta value, tan value is coming 1 at which degree? 45 degree. So we can say tan 45 degree. Okay, so which means here we will get theta is equal to how much? 45 degree. Now question is saying, hey, now you have to find the value of what? Sine to power 4 theta plus cos to power 4 theta. Now, so theta value is how much? 45. So which means you can substitute the theta value. So we can say sine to power 4 45 degree plus cos to the power 4 45 degree. Now you know sine value at 45 degree, so we can say 1 over root 2 whole power is 4. Same way cos value 45 degree, 1 over root 2 over 4. Okay, here both exponent is 4. So now you can solve, so you will get how much? 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4, which means you will get here 2 over 4. So you can cancel this one 1 and this is 2. So your answer is got 1 over 2. Hope it's clear. Now coming about next question, again this is a proving question, so don't forget. Okay, so first see what the question is saying. It is saying sine A minus 2 sine q A over 2 cos qa minus cos A is equal to tan A. Okay, so this question has asked in the two different sets. So in one set has 4 marks and one set has 5 marks. Okay, so very easy. So first we will write all the information. LHS is equal to, we can say here, sine A minus 2 sine Q A. Okay, same with 2 cos Q A minus cos A. Okay, hope it's getting now. So you can see in numerator and denominator something we can take a common. So in numerator we can take a sine common. So how much you will left here? You will get 1 minus here 2 sine square A. Sine A you have taken a common. Same way denominator also you can take a common cos A. So you will take a common. So how much you will get here? 2 cos square A minus 1. Okay, this much is got it. Now after that we can say here this one is equal to tan A, and inside you will get 1 minus 2 sine square A, and same with in denominator also you can say 2 cos square A minus 1. Okay, hope it's this much is clear. Now after that here we have to can we say here, we can say in the place of 2 sine A, so we can substitute the value. So we can say here tan A inside 1 minus, so, and you can say 2 here, you can use the square bracket. So you can say 2 1 minus cos square A. Okay, and square bracket close, and denominator you can say same way 2 cos square A minus 1. So after that you can in the denominator you can say this one. So tan A times you can say 1 minus 2 and minus 2 times, so this will become plus, so you can say 2 cos square A. Okay, and same with denominator you can say 2 cos square A minus 1. Okay, so now after that you can say this 1 and minus 2 you get cancelled, so you will get here 2 cos square A minus 1 over 2 cos square A minus 1. So you can say the numerator is both the terms are same, so cancel. So you will get how much? Tan A is equal to RHS. Okay, so hope that you have cleared this much. Hope you understand this 2 year of questions based on the 2024 and 23. Okay, I'm not going with the 2022 questions because there is some question that is not included in your syllabus now. Okay, so if you have any question or any suggestion you want to give, so just put a comment section so we can work on that. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video and you can found helpful, so don't forget give a thumbs up and share with your friends first thing. Okay, and leave a comment again below if you have any question, any suggestion for future video. Okay, so we are ready to hear your suggestion. Okay, and also don't forget to follow our social media handles that you can see by the name of LearnWiz on the Facebook, Instagram, x.com and everything. Okay, so stay in with the LearnWiz and for more videos. So all the best for your math examination, and bye bye for now, and we will see you soon on the next video.